Hey, what's going on? This is John, and today I'm going to be going over a kit that I picked up for the purposes of the review. The Grow a Beard kit. When I tried to search online to see what the company was all about, the Grow a Beard company, I couldn't find much of anything. I did a quick Google search for Grow a Beard. As you can see, this is the front label right there. And I did not find an actual website, a Grow a Beard website, linking to an actual online store for this particular brand. All I got was the Amazon. All I got was the links to Amazon, which is totally fine. If you're making a beard product company and you want to funnel it through Amazon and you don't have everything set up quickly, if you don't have everything set up just right and you want to just start cranking out product and making that money, that's totally fine. So without further ado, I'm going to bring it down, show you the contents of the kit, and kind of explain how each one works. Let's bring it down. So this is the box for the Grow a Beard kit that I picked up on Amazon. The price point, really good. I believe it was 16 to 17 bucks. Got some good items in this box. Let's open it up and I'll show you each one. First thing out of the box I got was the Grow a Beard oil. Let's take a good look at that right there. See, this is how you package beard oil. Individually wrapped, totally sealed. There's no for this to spill. There's no way this will spill inside its current packaging. It came in bubble wrap, but it took me a long time to get this out of the bubble wrap because it was plastic on plastic, so you got without the bubble wrap. And here it is. And in the back, you get your ingredients. If you want, you could take a little freeze frame right there and read exactly what's in there. I'll even rotate it there for you. You can go through slowly. Put a few drops in your palm, then rub it into your beard and use daily. So that is the beard oil. Next thing in the kit, in the Grow a Beard kit, is the beard balm. It's a 1 ounce size tin here. Nice. This is kind of like the essential blend of ingredients for a good beard balm. This is like your core ingredients: shea butter. The only thing I don't see is beeswax. Oh, the BW. There's your beeswax. Yep, you got your almond oil, your apricot oil, your jojoba oil, argan oil, emu, and all the other oils, and vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is really good because it helps fight against acne, because it is a antiseptic. So that's very, very useful. So with the Grow a Beard kit, you get a free ebook. Right there, you get your free ebook at growabeards.com/ebook. Pretty neat. Thank you, Grow a Beard kit. Then you get your beard brush here. I believe this is yak fibers. I'm not 100% sure, though it is engraved in the wood. That's a nice touch, nice personalization touch. Oh, soft beard brush. So we'll leave that to the side there. Put that there. The next thing in the kit, you get a beard comb. You got your wide space teeth and your close space teeth here all in one. Very good quality comb. It is solid and it doesn't look like it's gonna break. Yeah, that's good wood. Again, laser engraving in there. So that's again, nice touch. Very good comb, very good brush. Then you get a small pair of trimming scissors. If you can see here, it is branded. Let's see if we get that. The Grow a Beard brand. Little fingerprints there. There you go. It is branded. The Grow a Beard logo is right there on the scissors. So that's also a nice touch. Lets you know that this is part of your kit. And the thing that I need the most, because I am kind of a beginner in styling my own beard, the Revo Beard Tool. This lets you shape your beard in all kinds of different styles, just like that. Make sure you get a straight edge on both sides of your face so you don't look a little lopsided. Very useful. I'm going to be using this because this is where I have issues. I can never get both sides of my beard to look right for some reason. So this is going to be great to use. We'll put that off to the side because it's causing a glare. And to round out the kit, you get a very nice bag right here. Nice drawstring bag to put all your items in. And that is the Grow a Beard Kit. Upon inspection of the free ebook card that they sent, I followed the website, and it looks like that in the beginning, when I was searching for this company's website, I was spelling it wrong. Because their website is not growabeard.com, it's growabeards.com. Growbeards with an S at the end of beard.com, all one word. I'm at the website now. Very nice little neat website. Very, very cut and dry. You got a good slideshow happening right now, and with different celebrities, with different beards, going on. And it links to their products, which is basically what you want from a website. You want to be able to go on there, buy what you need, and keep it moving. You can also send them an email, contact them, etc. First thing I'm going to be assessing is the oil. I'm going to open it up right now. Nice glass dropper. I like that. Very subtle scent. Let's do 1, 2, 3 drops. Now you may have noticed that my beard wasn't wet. That's not how you're supposed to apply beard oil. I was just putting it on my face to see like the feel of it. Is it smooth? Is it gritty? It is not. It's very smooth. Trying to see if there's a scent happening. I'll put it right here under my nose. It's got a scent, but it's very, very subtle. Very subtle. Not overpowering. Really good overall. I would really have to, wash the beard, make sure it's wet, just to see if it locks in the moisture. Second thing I'm going to try here is the balm. Get a little on your thumb there, just like that. A little on your thumb there, yep. Make sure that's clear when you get to work in. Again, really smooth. Not gritty. That is a very subtle, not so overpowering, not very strong scent. I love it. I'm digging this a lot. You get just a hint of scent. Just to let you know that, you got product on your face, and it's not, that's very, very good. I love that. That's great. All right, now the comb. Brush that in there. Very nice comb. Feels good. I like it. I'm doing both sides. Even though my beard's not that big right now, it's getting there. It's growing. Just want to feel how that feels. That feels very nice, very satisfying. And we're going to go with the brush here, yeah, I like that too. Very soft bristles. Very soft bristles. The mustache. All right. That's the cut in a hole right there. Very nice. The comb was awesome. Very sturdy, very strong. Felt good on the face. The beard brush, very soft bristles. Nice and soft, nice and smooth. Good brush. I like it a lot. the oil and the balm together, my beard is nice and smooth, silky smooth. It's got a shine to it. I don't know if you can tell, but got a shine to it. And the scissors are scissors. You know what? Let's see if I can. Oh boy, here we go. We're using the camera. Oh yeah. These babies cut. These bad boys can cut. If I'm gonna rate this kit, I'm gonna give it an 8. There are not a lot of cons to this kit. This kit gives you everything you need to start grooming and styling your beard, especially with the beard styling tool. They give you the free ebook to help you grow your beard. I'm imagining it has good like beard growing practices in there and how to use their products correctly and all of that. The only thing I would like to see in a company like this that has, you know, very good products, is change up this brush, because this brush is sold by so many different companies. Maybe I'd like to see them maybe develop their own kind of brush, maybe with a handle, something to set them apart from the other kits that you can buy on Amazon, and give that grow a beard, you know, look to it. Other than that, that's really the only thing that I got that I can go negative is this brush and this comb and this brush. They're very two highly used generic items that can be bought on any other kit. So with a little more personalization to these two items, or swap them out to a different style altogether, and you got something unique, something special, keep that price to where it is, because that price is great. I know if you change up some of these tools, the price can fluctuate. Let me tell you guys, you're getting a great deal here. Search it out on Amazon. I believe it was 17 bucks, the Grow Beard Kit. I'm very, very satisfied and happy with my purchase. But then again, I'm like I said, I'm going to give it an 8 only because that these two items are so commonly used in other kits. If you like the content of the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next review. Later.